Fujifilm is back in the spotlight, this time with a camera that's got vintage design lovers and mirrorless enthusiasts talking. The rumored Fujifilm X-T6 is generating major buzz, and it could be one of the brand's most exciting launches yet. Early leaks are pointing to big upgrades, lightning-fast autofocus, improved low-light performance, and that iconic retro styling refined for the modern shooter. While we're still waiting on official confirmation, the rumor mill is spinning fast, and the photography community is watching closely. Before we dive into the most talked about features and what the X-T6 could mean for the future of Fujifilm, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're breaking down everything we know so far about the upcoming Fujifilm X-T6. So grab your gear, settle in, and let's get into it. The Fujifilm X-T series has always been a celebration of traditional SLR-inspired ergonomics, and the X-T6 continues this heritage with a focus on refinement rather than radical reinvention. At first touch, the magnesium alloy body feels dense and reassuringly solid, striking an ideal balance that makes it equally comfortable with compact Fujinon primes or heavier telephoto zooms. Fujifilm has now completed weather sealing across every seam, port, and button, ensuring photographers can work with confidence in rain, dust, or freezing environments without hesitation. The hallmark tactile dials, shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation remain proudly in place, but with subtle upgrades in resistance and click feedback. They now strike a perfect balance between precision and usability, allowing for quick adjustments without the accidental shifts that can plague lesser designs. Complementing this, the grip has been resculpted to provide a deeper, more secure hold, especially beneficial when shooting with larger, heavier lenses, while still maintaining the body's compact proportions. The rear LCD also sees a notable upgrade, a fully articulating vari-angle design with higher resolution and more responsive touch control. Whether for vlogging, vertical content creation, or creative low and high angle perspectives, the screen is more versatile and refined than ever before. Fujifilm has also enhanced the electronic viewfinder, now featuring a 5.76 million OLED panel with an increased refresh rate. The result is a viewing experience that feels clearer, smoother, and more immersive, particularly when tracking fast-moving subjects. Every element of the X-T6's design speaks to Fujifilm's philosophy of intentional craftsmanship. It preserves the retro-inspired aesthetic that has long defined the X-T line, while delivering the durability, ergonomics, and usability demanded by modern professionals. In short, the X-T6 feels like a photographer's tool designed to disappear in the hand, reliable, intuitive, and built to last. At the heart of the Fujifilm X-T6 lies the same 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor that powers the brand's flagship cameras, making it one of the most capable APS-C sensors on the market today. Paired with the X Processor 5, this combination delivers outstanding speed, responsiveness, and image processing power that elevates the shooting experience. The jump in resolution compared to previous generations is significant, providing photographers with enormous detail, superb sharpness, and impressive cropping flexibility that rivals, and in some cases even challenges, full-frame competitors. Dynamic range is another strong point of the X-T6, with plenty of latitude for recovering details in both highlights and deep shadows. This makes it a reliable tool for shooting in challenging lighting conditions, whether that's a bright landscape at midday or a dimly lit interior. Low light performance is equally impressive, with clean, noise-controlled images up to ISO 6400 and surprisingly usable files even at ISO 12800, ensuring confidence when shooting handheld in darker environments. The back-illuminated design of the sensor improves light gathering efficiency, contributing to both the low light capability and the overall tonal richness of the images. Fujifilm's unique X-Trans color filter array also plays a vital role, reducing moire and false color without the need for an optical low-pass filter, while simultaneously maintaining crisp, fine detail. This results in images that are not only sharp, but also vibrant and true to life, with Fujifilm's renowned color science further enhancing the output. When paired with Fujinon's extensive lens ecosystem, ranging from small, lightweight primes to professional-grade zooms, the X-T6 becomes an incredibly versatile creative tool. Whether you're capturing landscapes that demand maximum resolution, shooting fast-paced sports where high ISO bursts are essential, or exploring fine art photography that thrives on subtle tonal nuance, the X-T6 consistently delivers professional-grade results. Few camera brands enjoy the cult-like following for color science that Fujifilm does, and the new X-T6 carries this tradition forward with confidence. At the heart of the experience is Fujifilm's full suite of film simulations, designed to emulate the look and feel of classic analog film stocks. Longtime favorites like Provia, Velvia, Astia, Classic Chrome, and Eterna are all present, each offering a distinct mood that photographers can lean on without heavy post-processing. The standout this time is the addition of Reala Ace, a fresh option that blends vibrancy with balance. It delivers rich mid-range colors, deep yet natural contrasts, and a tonal range that feels cinematic but true to life. Portrait photographers will particularly appreciate how it renders smooth, lifelike skin tones, free from harsh color shifts, while landscape shooters will find plenty of character in Velvia's bold saturation or the gentle pastel palette of Astia. This flexibility makes the X-T6 an appealing choice for creators who value color storytelling. Another quiet but impactful upgrade is the camera's white balance performance. Fujifilm has integrated refined AI-driven algorithms that adapt more intelligently under mixed or shifting light sources. This means more consistent results, whether you're shooting indoors, outdoors, or moving between both environments quickly, a common challenge for hybrid shooters. Where the X-T6 truly shines is in its embrace of creative customization. Users can dive deep into in-camera controls for tone curves, color depth, shadow and highlight balance, and even grain effects. These options allow photographers to craft highly personalized recipes that define a unique aesthetic straight out of the camera. This culture of customization has become a hallmark of the Fujifilm community, and the X-T6 pushes it further, giving enthusiasts and professionals alike the tools to create a visual signature that feels unmistakably their own. Autofocus is perhaps the most meaningful upgrade in the Fujifilm X-T6, and it sets this camera apart from its predecessors in a big way. Fujifilm has integrated its latest AI-driven subject detection system, which represents a serious leap forward in practical usability for photographers and hybrid shooters alike. The camera can now recognize and track people, animals, birds, vehicles, and a wide range of other subjects with an impressive level of confidence. Even more importantly, the refinements to eye and face detection mean that the system performs reliably in challenging conditions. Whether you're shooting in low light, dealing with erratic subject movement, or working in crowded environments where the camera needs to lock onto the intended target instantly. Another major strength is the nearly edge-to-edge frame coverage. Unlike older systems that force photographers to keep their subjects near a central focus cluster, the X-T6 gives creators the freedom to compose with greater artistic flexibility without compromising focus accuracy. Continuous shooting performance is equally impressive, delivering up to 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter, and up to 20 frames per second when using the electronic shutter. Rolling shutter distortion has been minimized as well, making the electronic shutter a practical choice even in fast action scenarios. Beyond autofocus, usability has been carefully streamlined. The newly designed menu system is cleaner and easier to navigate, while the customizable Q menu and tactile, analog-inspired controls remain true to Fujifilm's heritage. This ensures that speed and efficiency never come at the expense of the hands-on shooting experience longtime Fuji users value. Power management has also been addressed. The X-T6 uses the larger NPW235 battery, capable of delivering around 600 shots per charge. Add in convenient USB-C charging, and photographers can easily top up using a power bank mid-shoot, making the X-T6 as practical as it is powerful. The Fujifilm X-T6 firmly establishes itself as not just a powerhouse for stills, but also as one of the most capable hybrid tools designed for today's modern creators. While its pedigree in photography is undeniable, what truly sets it apart is how well it bridges the gap between still and motion. On the video front, the X-T6 delivers 6.2K/30p recording with oversampled 4K, ensuring crisp detail and cinematic quality straight out of the camera. Filmmakers will also appreciate the 10-bit 422 internal recording and F-Log2 profile, which provide extensive latitude in post-production and maximum dynamic range for grading flexibility. For high frame rate work, the camera pushes into professional territory with 4K/120p, allowing for buttery smooth slow motion sequences without sacrificing sharpness. Paired with its advanced 7-stop in-body image stabilization, IBIS, the X-T6 opens creative doors for handheld shooting in low-light or fast-paced run-and-gun scenarios that previously demanded external stabilization gear like gimbals. This makes it an incredibly versatile option for filmmakers, vloggers, and hybrid shooters alike. Autofocus during video is equally impressive, delivering fluid, confident subject tracking that transitions naturally, maintaining focus even in complex scenes. This reliability ensures that creators can trust the X-T6 for dynamic shooting situations where missing focus is not an option. Connectivity is another standout strength. Built-in wireless, LAN, and wired USB-C support give the X-T6 seamless integration into professional workflows. It can tether effortlessly for studio setups, support live streaming without third-party complications, and even transfer files directly to local servers in real time. For event shooters, newsroom professionals, and collaborative studio environments, this level of connectivity and speed is invaluable. In short, the Fujifilm X-T6 isn't just an APS-C camera, it's a future-proof creative hub designed to meet the evolving demands of hybrid content creation. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.